What's going on, guys, and welcome to today's video. The GT-R is broken and today we're going to be diagnosing it. So if you watched last video, you knew that we switched out the bigger injectors for stock injectors on the RB26, and after that we went for a little drive and a little cruise that night to Krispy Kreme, and the car drove perfect, like no issues at all. A few days later I was driving down the street here and the car started misfiring. So I have a little clip that'll insert right here. Hear that?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, I don't know if the camera picks it up too well, but doesn't sound good. So it's safe to say that the GT-R isn't driving like it should be right now, and today we're gonna be trying to figure out that problem. Some of the things I'll be checking today: if all the wiring is tight, because I don't have clips on some of these, so that could be the problem. I'm also gonna be taking off the centerpiece here and I'm gonna see if the connection is good with the wires underneath. So today is just diagnostics day and we're gonna figure out why the GT-R is misfiring and hopefully fix the problem. If not, if it's not a wiring issue, maybe put the bigger injectors back for now and maybe try to source out another set of OEM injectors, or maybe a set of close to OEM or something. I wish somebody told me working on cars wasn't easy, but honestly, finding out the problem and fixing the problem is the fun of it. If you watched last video, you would realize how dirty the GT-R actually was when we were installing the injectors. It was filthy, and we ended up washing it yesterday, and that video will be on Austin's channel, so go check it out. So I already checked the wiring under the center valley cover, and I just grounded the ignition coil, so it leads me to believe that the injectors are the problem right now. And so right now I'm just gonna start the car and I'm gonna listen for any ticking. If it's ticking, obviously that's good because it's pumping fuel in, but if it's not, then we have a problem within our injectors. So let's go do that right now. Little stethoscope thing, I hope I'm saying that right, and I put it next to each injector and I noticed that there was ticking on all of them except for number 3, so that's our issue. And unfortunately we have to put the other injectors that I had on the car back in, so let's go do that. Lucky I kept the old injectors somewhere safe. So now I gotta take these out and take out some of the rings because I used some of the rings from the old injectors. I gotta put that back in and then put it in the car and we should be good. So we're putting the other injectors back in and I'm just in the middle of taking everything out. I already have the fuel rail basically loose. I just gotta take these off.
Are we gonna take the whole rail out?
Yeah. And we gotta do what we did again last video.
Here we go again. Alright. We got some goodies.
Be sure to check out Austin's channel, time card above.
Yep.
By the time this is up, your first video's up.
Yeah. It'll be
up. Right there.
Right here? Right here.
Oh, that way.
Right.
Yeah. All right, be sure to check it out. All right, so we put the old injectors back in and it's time for the first start. So let's go. Let's pray. works. Maybe we gotta put the center cover back on and then maybe a test drive. But it sounds a lot better than before, so that's a good sign. There's one. I think that's a successful day. We got the injectors back in the GT-R and she drives pretty well. So it's another day, and today we are going to a car meet. Well, actually tonight, it's pretty late right now, and this is gonna be the first car meet for the GT-R. We're gonna be picking up Austin right now in the GT-R, and then we're gonna be heading out to the meet right now. So let's go and go get him. I really need new headlights badly. These are my brightest setting. Here are my high beams. Oh my god, they're really dim. Lucky I have an HID kit that has come in already and I just have to install it. So in a later video, maybe I'll show myself installing my HID kit in the GT-R. My bad. What's up, buddy?
What's up? How's it going?
Good, how are you?
You ready?
Let's go to the car meet tonight.
All right.
I don't know if you knew this, but this is the GT-R's first time going to a car meet.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I got it like right after car show season ended, so.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Let's head there. Guy's alarm. That's good.
Right here.
Alright, we got the little Nissan group here, the 350Z, R35, and the R32. Hi.
Oh, wow. Straight to me, eh? So.
Oh, I see you're repping the playlist.
Oh.
That's my playlist right there. Link down below.
Yeah. Thanks to come.
Alright, so we just got back from that little meet that I just filmed. Right when we got there, there was a bunch of people leaving, so we decided to leave too. And we're headed out to another meet, so let's go. By the looks of where we're going, it doesn't look too promising, but I can assure you that we got some great content ahead of us. Oh, there's already smoke here. We got oh, there's a parking spot right here. If you could try to get in there, that'd be good. Oh no. we might have come at the wrong time, but we'll see what I can get. We don't have a... Okay, so it looks like people are leaving the meet, but I'm gonna see what I can get from whatever's left here, and I'm gonna switch to the Osmo, so let's go get some shots on the Osmo. So we just got back from the meet, and after driving the GT-R today, it's not misfiring anymore, so that's a good sign. I'm pretty happy about that. I'm just gonna keep my eye on it and make sure it doesn't misfire anymore, because if it is, it might be an injector harness, and then I gotta replace everything and make another video on it. So the meet was fun today. A lot of clean builds up there. Hopefully I can get more content like that on the channel. On that note, I'm gonna end it off today's video. Yeah, peace.
Hey guys, Chris Fix here.